Okay. Okay. So this is the chart of somebody. The wife approached me that the husband is having issues with his drinking habits and all, and is not very keen to do job, or very lethargic and very hesitant kind of a person. So we just start searching how it is. So as the protocol says that what is the issue, then what are the house and the planets that are associated with it. Third thing is check the all this, the the chart, and the fourth one is the planetary aspects. So that's how I started. The issue is drinking. That is the primary issue, because once that gets sorted, he might be able to concentrate on other things. So issue is sorted. Then the house planets, which are associated with it, the Karak planet, the houses. So they are eighth house, because that is all related to your this thing, the Bimari and all. The 12th house with a house of loss and all, because it is creating loss for him. And the planet associated with this is Mars. So these things we have. Now what we do is we have this cusp and the planets wala chart जो है cusp में, तो इसको किस किस का hit मिल रहा है. So when we say that 8th house को किसका hit है, then 12th house को किसका hit है, and the planet Mars को. So स्टार उसका sublord, उसका star sublord क्या है. So I noted down everything. Then when I saw this इसमें 8th हाउस में और 12th हाउस में कौन कौन से planets हैं, then that will also help us. It says that it has Mercury. 12th it doesn't have in the Rashi chart. No planets are there. But in the Bhav Chalit, it is. See, Manish, isme you cannot enlarge it and it becomes tough. Okay. So in this it is Rahu. This is in this thing. So it is in the 12th house. It has Mercury, Sun, and Venus. So I mean there is no connect. So we left that. We came directly to the planetary aspects and this particular table. Then it says that Mars is hitting Moon and Moon is hitting Mars. So we shortlisted on these two things, that Mars and Moon are creating trouble. Mars is in 8th house here. Mars is in 8th house and Moon is in 11th house. So Mars is hitting Moon by 30, 60, 90, 90 degrees hit. तो ये देखना है कि मार्स हिट कर रहा है मून को कि मून हिट कर रहा है मार्स को. So going by this, it says that Mars is hitting Moon by 90 degrees. ठीक है, 8th to 11th house. So now we have to shift Mars to 9th house. क्या करेंगे, 9th house में इसको shift करना है. So when I checked their Vastu, I got their house plan and placed all the Rashi charts on all. So 11th राशि जो कि वेस्ट में आ रहा है, so वहां पर मार्स का कोई भी आइटम है, if they have anything related to Mars which is like red, shiny kind of a thing, or anything which is big and red that need to be removed. So I asked her, is there anything which is kept on which is red color and which you have kept over there? So she said, yes, there's the whole ward, the color of that whole wardrobe is red, but that is, movable, because that is वो बच्चों का आता था ना, red color का full, wherein she has kept all her clothes. So she said that yes, I can shift that. And another thing is, in south we have to put something which is red. I mean, we are shifting this to different Mars. So what we have to do is we have to shift we have to put in the south direction, we have to put something which is red, that is anything red bulb or something. So I suggested that put a red color ka sheet, jo the one chart sheet kind of a thing. And then this is the vastu, as per the what you can do in the vastu, because it's big, it is continuous, this cannot be handled only by putting up something in our body. It is a continuous and a consistent problem. And in the body, So 11th, so 8th से 9th पे move कराना है. So which body part? It is the knees. And what we have to do is the color of the mask is red. So I asked her that you ask your husband to put red on your knee, on his knees. I was not sure that whether he'll do this or not. Even she was not sure, but then when she shared that this is being suggested by a friend, and if you'll do it, we might be able to do. So after this, I suggested her, and then I for my exams and all. I was back and I just called her up, and she was like, you know what? Religiously is the red dot on his knees every single day, and I have done the changes. And you won't believe, yesterday itself he started going to office again. It was like he was not keen to go to the office and he was about to laid off. जब ये बात हो रहा था तो she told me कि his manager is कि the company is might lay off few people, so you might be one among them. You're searching for a job, but then he got a project, and then he is like, now if I'm on a project, so I won't be laid off. So that is like, very small things we have done. We have not done anything major. We have not done any alterations or thing, but then these small changes has our suggestion has helped them, and the problem is solved. So she is a very happy, thinky, very small things, and so I said, all thanks to Manish. Manish, is it okay?
Very good.
I was more like your spokesperson. I can't present it the way you want, but ठीक है, I tried.
You have to keep doing it, no, then it will happen someday. But good. But that's
Okay,
because
okay,
like when
okay.
Rashmi called me up, Rashmi can shut this.
Ah, yes,
When Rashmi called me up
okay.
yesterday or day before yesterday to tell me this, so this we had actually analyzed around 20 days ago or 1 month back. So I had actually forgotten about it. So
Yes.
that case and all that
Ah,
took me some time. Then she said, the drinking problem. I said, yes. You know what happened? He put that dot.
ah.
I thought she's going to say she put a dot. Now the wife also started drinking. Husband was the you know what happened? He also started drinking. So doge khush na, both in.
Yeah, or maybe he started putting a red dot on every bottle he's drinking. So you put the red dot on his knees and it worked.
Okay, chalo. Should we go ahead then?
Okay.
Okay. So now
Yes.
from dot.
Manish, before you start, just one question. Tini, she took the 8th and 12th house, right?
Mistake that it is basically
Yes.
11th and the second house.
Okay.
The 11th and moon
Hmm.
the second. Basically,
Okay.
drunkard as a thing is moon and Mars are the game.
Culprits.
Just 1 minute. Yeah, they are the culprits because basically moon also stands for water elements, no? Everything like that.
Yes.
Mars is also intoxication. So drunkard is basically Mars and moon का combination. ऐसे हो जाता है.
Okay.
So that is how that thing came up. And then when the chart was seen, it was basically 11th house and second house, so that was 90 degrees. So what
Okay.
Trupti said that, Rashmi said that analysis, then Baki ka you know that.
Yes.
Okay, should we go on to Lal Kitab now? Okay. Now, before I start Lal Kitab, just one or two sentences I want to share that will help you to understand how we will proceed basically. So this other person with whom I'm doing, no? I'm doing, if you remember, I'm doing two Lal Kitab courses parallel. So one person is a very, that ekdam dinosaur type, कि एकदम वो जो किताब का पढ़ के and all that dun, which half of it goes bouncer. This other guy is a pretty young guy. He's roughly must be in his early 40s or something, and very competent. And mainly what I like is the theory which I follow also कि काम से मतलब रखो, पूरा सब झाड़ू मारते मत बैठो, जिधर काम है उतना करो and go ahead. So he is to the point. First of all, he talks in English, he talks to the point, and he talks practical. So that's what I like. So what I'm saying is what he has done and how we will sort of proceed on that is, yesterday was the first technical class. Last week was just the introduction of that. So he starts off with techniques also. So he will be teaching the theory, but at the same time he teaches techniques. Like yesterday, The guys in the group, they calculated is that he has given 30 techniques. I found only 5 techniques. Because 5 techniques ka branching karke like that you can make it 30. But basically there are 4 or 5 techniques, okay, which are very effective and good. Okay, so according to him, there are something like maybe 1,000 techniques. Okay, so what he says is out of 1,000 techniques, even if you know 300 techniques, and on a chart you use even 30 techniques, in 10 minutes you would have, or in 1 minute you would have diagnosed 10 to 15 predictions like that, within a minute. So anyway, that is actually not the aim to impress somebody or whatever. But the thing is, if we know the techniques and we can, in the quickest possible time analyze the chart, then to give the remedies and all is more important. I am not so very keen in 30 seconds I impress the person in front by telling 10 things. That is not the aim. But anyways, so all these techniques which he has got, he said at every class I will tell you 10 to 15 to 20 techniques like that. I said. So the thing is, if let us say we have to do justice to this, and let us say 1,000, at least we have to remember 500 techniques, let us say, it's not an easy task. Okay. It can be made easy only by 2 ways. One is by understanding the logic behind it. Okay. And second thing is documenting it properly. Okay. So obviously the logic behind it, so that we can understand because we know the basic karaktattvas and all that, some basic things. And what I am going to be doing is every technique which is there, okay, I'll be making it into one slide. Okay. So unfortunately what happens is this class is Wednesday night and this is Thursday. So I don't end plus Thursday morning till 12 o'clock my architecture lecture is there. But anyways, I made a slide, slightly little more I need to add, but that once I tell you, you'll understand. So what we'll be doing henceforth is, unless there is some theory part which is to be taken, this technique which he has conveyed, I'll be explaining the technique to you in my way, wherein I'll be telling the technique, I'll be telling the concept behind it, and we'll be analyzing it across so many sheets. So I have composed around 55 kundalis. Okay. And why I wanted you to have this thing, it was too short notice, but maybe till next time, at least have 5 or 10 kundalis of known people. Okay, especially people, in your friend circle, somebody who had some dramatic life, so to say. And what he says is 40 years and above. Ekdam bacche ka mat le lo. But still, if there's a kid who has experienced something, then that is okay. Whatever it is. So you have these charts and the techniques which I'll be telling you, we'll be analyzing on these 50 charts and also on your charts. So here 50 chart, what I've done today is, rather than groping in the dark, I have at the moment put dots. So immediately apna nazar udhar jata hai. So next time when the next technique is there, I'll put the dots accordingly. Let's see how it goes, but this is the background. Have you all understood? So every time this technique, so I'll be sharing the slides with you. You want to make your own notes, we can do that. Okay. So now the first technique, which according to him is a theory which is very, very important in astrology, is basically what he says is that Ketu follows Jupiter. Just listen. It's going to be complicated. Just listen. When I say it's going to be complicated, then it will become very simple. Just give me 3 minutes. The basic theory is, now I'm looking at you and talking, okay? The paper is here, I'm not looking there, but I'll tell you how I remembered it. So Ketu follows Jupiter, but is an enemy of Mercury. Okay. Rahu follows Mercury, but is an enemy of Jupiter. Okay. Abhi chahe to likho. If you write like I'm dictating, if you want, Ketu dash Jupiter, मुझे Ketu follows Jupiter, उसके आगे fully करो, but enemy of Mercury. नीचे लिखो, Rahu arrow Mercury, that is Rahu follows Mercury, fully, मुझे is an
Clear.
Jupiter. Okay. This is the theory. Okay. The practical use of it, what he has said, you can write down over there. I'll just tell you one, because there are 4 permutation combinations which you'll understand in just a minute. The basic thing is, how they say, they don't say Mercury in 6th house, they say Mercury 6. So Mercury 6 means 6th house because there is no Rashi involved, right? So Mercury 6, Ketu anywhere in your chart other than 6 spoils that house. I'll repeat, don't worry. It will take you just 2-3 minutes, it will come. Mercury 6, म्हणजे Mercury in 6th house, Ketu anywhere in the chart other than the 6th house will spoil that house. My Mercury in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 will spoil that house wherever it is seated. इतना ध्यान में रखो. Now just put your pens down. You just listen. Now the image that you should imagine in front of your eyes, and when I show you my presentation, you'll understand what I mean. Imagine a girl, young girl, walking with a dog, blowing dark clouds in the sky. But don't ask me whether she's smoking or whatever. Just imagine this and the entire thing will come into play. Now this is my interpretation, okay? This is not from Lal Kitab. So what came in front of my eyes is what I'm telling you. A young girl walking with a dog, blowing dark clouds into the sky. Young girl, Mercury, dog, Ketu, dark clouds, Rahu, sky, Jupiter. Okay, now I'll show you my slide and now you'll understand. Till now, I'm sure you are confused. Let it be. Give me 2 minutes and you'll understand. Can you see the slide? Okay. So here I've written here, girl with dog blowing dark clouds in the sky. Okay. Now, before we go to this, just look at this chart, the left chart, which I have shared with you earlier on. What I've done is the 6th house and the 12th house, I've sort of, enlarged like a blow of detail sort of. Same thing what you have got in your chart, I just made it red green. So here if you see, in the 6th house, Mercury is Uch. Okay, look at the bigger ones only just now. Mercury is Uch, Ketu is Neech. Barabar? Left on PQR. So P is Pakka Ghar of Ketu, R is Rashi Lord of Mercury. बराबर 12th का अगर देखो तो उच्च केतु है, नीच राहु है, पक्का घर भी राहु का है एंड राशि जुपिटर की है. अभी इन लाल किताब का दिस थिंग नाउ बिकॉज आई हैव मेड इट इनटू दिस चार्ट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड बेटर. डायग्राम म्हणजे 180 डिग्री वाला उल्टा हो जाता है, जिधर उच्च है उधर नीच हो जाता है. सिंपल थिंग जस्ट सी हियर, सन इज उच्च ओवर हियर, 7 सन इज नीच ओवर हियर, Saturn is uch over here, Saturn is neech over here. Anyone you take, let's say take this diagonal over here. Rahu is uch over here, Rahu is neech over here. Ketu is uch over here, Ketu is neech over here. Take this second house. Moon is uch over here, nothing neech, nothing uch, moon neech. Okay. So either abhi if you see here, basically Ketu is neech over here, Ketu is uch over here, Rahu is neech over here. Rahu, that's why I've written here small. Rahu is uch over here. समझो इतना समझ में आया? Now how to remember Rahu के इधर ting tong? I have made one thing which I am remembering it by. This is an R. Okay. So here Rahu is up and here Ketu is up. It's an R if you can make out. I have expanded the R, this blue one. This R. So ये 6th house में Rahu उच्च है, इधर केतु उच्च है, दिस एरो हेड इज केतु एंड बराबर उसका ऑपोजिट हो जाएगा, यहां राहु नीच है एंड यहां राहु उच्च है. समझ में आ रहा है? Anyway, this don't bother so much, it will come once you see. Now I want you to see this same red blue green thing. What is there? No, just look at it like this. Look at this green box as the 6th house, look at the 12th house, this green one, a yellow one, as the 12th house. Okay. Now, one couple of new things. 6th house in Lal Kitab is called as Patal. Patal means underground. Patal doesn't mean hell or anything. Patal means when you dig and you reach water, that is Patal. Okay. And 12th house is Akash. Okay. So now here if you see, this is Mercury, this is the young girl. Okay. Here if you see Mercury is uch over here. Can you, ये जो दो है ना, ये ऊपर नीचे वाला इधर देखो. Basically ये Mercury is this Mercury उच्च है, Ketu is नीचे over here. So minus किया मैंने. Okay. Here if you see Jupiter का पक्का राशि है, ये उसका खुद का घर है, राशि लॉर्ड है, और राहु यहाँ नीचे है. Okay. Okay. Now the rule how you have to remember this, what I told you was girl Mercury walking with Ketu dog, blowing up dark clouds in the sky Rahu, in the sky Jupiter. So ये नीचे कौन से वाला है, ऊपर कौन से वाला है? If you remember this, you'll remember, because in due course of time you realize Mercury मुझे girl, Ketu में dog, बाकी का things you know that way. So now इसका मतलब क्या है and how to remember and how to use it. So basically in this house, which is the sixth house, these two are the co-lords. They are called co-lords. This is Rashi Lord and ये पक्का घर का मुझे significator बोलते हैं उसको. Here these two are the co-lords. Now if you see, Mercury and Ketu are anti each other. Okay. Or if you even go to see here, Mercury is Uch, it is giving positive result. Ketu is Neech, it is giving negative result. Similarly, here if you see, Jupiter and Rahu are at logarithms with each other. Jupiter being a Swarashi is Uch over here. Rahu, even though it's a co-lord, is given Neech position over here. Now, how and why, don't ask me. This is the significations. Are you understanding or am I going too fast? Okay, I will repeat again, don't worry. So basically, what this means is that each house has got two co-lords which are anti each other. Okay, you'll understand the story as it goes along. These are all a story actually. Now the theorem is that Ketu follows Jupiter but is inimical to Mercury. Remember I told you the first line. So Ketu, see the arrows now. Ketu follows Jupiter but is inimical to Mercury. Maybe within the thing it is fighting. Okay. How you can remember this is maybe that the dark cloud which he is throwing out is maybe a Bali, Shivi, and the dog has bit her, let us say. Okay, you'll understand why I'm saying dog is bit her in just 5 minutes. But let's say the dog bit the girl and she gave out a scream, Shivi Diligatari, that is Rahu, and that contaminated the air. So you can see how the anti thing works now. Mercury girl, Ketu dog, dog bit the girl screamed and gave out some Shivi, that Shivi went in the air is Jupiter, light spoiled the air, no, because of the thing. So Rahu, that way, you can, this is how you remember the thing. So ऊपर कौन सा है नीचे कौन सा है ध्यान में ऐसे रहेगा. Okay. Now the basic practical thing. In the sixth, the theory basically is, read this red one now. Mercury 6, Ketu will give bad result of house where posited. You remember that one thing I told you? ये one का 4 alternatives होने वाला, which you will understand in just a minute. So Mercury 6, Ketu anywhere else other than 6, will create bad in that house. Okay. Or इसका okay, I am muted here. Have you understood this? So the theorem is Mercury 6, Ketu anywhere in the house other than 6 will cause a problem. Now उसका logic समझ लो. ये दोनों co-lords है. यानी let us say two enemy people are staying in the same house. One guy is in the house, the other guy has gone out somewhere. He will always be worried that this fellow is doing some sabotage with his stuff in the house. So this guy has got bad. You understand? These two people are enemies. Let's look at it this way. This guy has gone out somewhere. This guy is in the house. So this guy is worried. This guy is going to spoil his stuff, sabotage something. So he will give bad results. So you understand this? Both of them are together. They are in their own compartment, so to say. So it is not bad. It's not good also, but it's not bad. Are you understanding? So basically Mercury, what they say is Mercury in 6th house is very good, but to keep it in place, Jupiter, Ketu comes in to keep it in place. Okay. So now if you see this, the corollary for this or whatever you want to call it is, if Ketu is in 6th house, Mercury anywhere will give bad result. समझा? Because उसका शत्रु बाहर गया ना, तो ये घर में क्या कर रहा है, उसका उधर जान निकलते जा रहा होगा. Now the third part of it, which is not written in the theorem, is that Ketu over here is Neech. So Ketu in 6 by itself will give bad result. So if Ketu is here and Mercury is out, Ketu will give a bad result in 6 and Mercury will give a bad result of wherever it is seated. समझ में आ रहा है? Okay, I'll repeat.
It's a very complicated situation.
No, it's not
मतलब है तो फिर भी अच्छा है, नहीं है तो फिर भी मतलब बुरा ही है ऐसा।
बुरा ही है एक्चुअली,
हाँ,
वही
कहीं
धरती
से भी
में है
देखो।
वो बुरा ही है।
लास्ट
मतलब मर्क्यूरी और केतु किधर भी है बुरे ही है, इनको गायब करो।
That's what I'm saying. So Ketu 6 is, this is what they say, no? Ki when you see a chart, that story opens in front of you. You know, this chart which I've made, I'm not sort of boasting over here, but when they were explaining, I was not understanding anything. I don't know whether you can see this. ये सब खिचड़ी खिचड़ी दिख रहा है इधर, ये सब मेरा ऐसे 4-5 पेजेस का खिचड़ी किया तब ये थियरम ऐसे आया। नहीं तो सपोज आई जस्ट टेल यू कि Ketu follows Jupiter but is the enemy of Mercury, and Rahu follows Mercury but is the enemy of Jupiter. So Mercury in 6th house, Ketu anywhere will give a bad result. Ketu 6th house, Mercury will give a bad result anywhere, but Ketu is niche in 6th, so Ketu will give bad result in 6th. कुछ समझ में है? This is what it was told. That girl following the dog and all that, वो कुछ नहीं. So this, Shruti, just 2 minutes में you'll understand. I'll tell you again. Just try to imagine. What I'm saying is, imagine two lords or two people. Okay, they are enemies. मन में ऐसा करता है. This guy घरातच बसलेला आहे. This guy has gone out of the house. This guy is going to be happy or uneasy. He'll be uneasy because ये क्या कर रहा है उसको हमेशा ध्यान में रहेगा. मेरे बेड के नीचे खीला लगा रहा है क्या, कि मेरे उधर कुछ पानी में कुछ जहर डाल रहा है क्या, क्या whatever. So he is uneasy. So will he be able to perform properly? No. He will perform badly only. सारखा तो शिवाय देत असणार, हे काय ते यू नो ऑल द टाइम अनइझी. ओके, ते झालं. नाउ if this is Mercury, let us say, and this guy is Ketu, Mercury is in his Uchka house, so he is very happy. He is in his own domain. कुछ problem नहीं है. So कुछ problem नहीं. So this is a one way traffic. Okay. Now उल्टा किया. Let us say this is Ketu, and Mercury has gone out. So Mercury is going to be uneasy कि केतु कुछ उधर लफड़ा कर रहा है, and Ketu is नीच over. Always remember, नीच म्हणजे bad, उच्च म्हणजे good. नीच will give bad results, उच्च will give good results. So if Ketu is sitting here and Mercury is out, Mercury will give bad results there because he is uneasy. Ketu will give bad results over here because Ketu is sitting in the नीच house. Finished. So that's why people who have got Ketu in the 6th house, they say many times they might have had a dog bite in their life. दिलीप काका तुला कधी कुत्रा चावलाय? नाही. आय थिंक तुझ्याच्यात आहे मला वाटतं. तुझ्या तर केतू 6th हाऊस मध्ये, इफ आय एम नॉट रॉंग. that is not that. Ketu also relates to feet. Ketu also relates to, म्हणजे Ketu in the 6th house relates to some stomach related problems. So Ketu also relates to backbone. So 6th house is the house of illness. So backbone, lower back or legs a problem असू शकतो. So there are so many things. So let's not get into that. I don't want to.
Can I ask you something?
Ask?
If Mercury is in the 6th house and Ketu is outside, तर केतू तर uneasy आहे, तर तो ज्या हाऊस मध्ये इट्स गोइंग टू स्पॉइल दॅट हाऊस. बट Mercury is in the 6th house is in the Uch.
It will be good result.
So it will give good results there. Okay, now I'm clear.
Okay.
Same thing I was about to ask कि Ketu any other than 6th will definitely create a trouble. Suppose 6th में Mercury भी नहीं है, केतु भी नहीं है, तभी
That is not
तब कोई इश्यू नहीं है उनको.
नहीं रे बाबा, that is not the technique at all. No, we are looking at techniques. See, इनमें कैसा, मैं I call it पत्थर पे लकीर. You don't have to question, but you have to understand the logic. So ये क्या है कि Mercury 6, केतु किधर भी बैठा will give problem. That is the theorem.
हाँ.
बराबर?
Okay. Any other like वो दोनों भी 6 नहीं है तो कोई एक दूसरे से इश्यू नहीं है उनको. Like that.
दोनों क्या? What?
Right.
What? I didn't.
Means if 6th house is not occupied by either Mercury or by Ketu, then they don't have any issues.
No. Don't say that. That doesn't relate to this theorem.
Okay.
You understand the theorem?
ठीक है. Got it.
हाँ, theorem है. A square plus B
We
square.
have to just go by the theorem. Yes.
वैसे. Up till now.
And if यदि मेरे हॉरोस्कोप या किसी हॉरोस्कोप पे अप्लाई नहीं करता है, मूव ऑन द नेक्स्ट थ्योरम, राइट?
After this, the next part of it is I'm going to show you around 30, 40 of the things. No, that time we'll see. No,
Okay.
because even I am quite new to it, so मेरे को भी आना होता है. So what I'm going to say is every theorem, if we imagine it like a picture, register it in your head and understand the logic behind it. I think maybe not 1,000, at least 700 we'll remember, which will be very good. And what we'll do later में जो ऐसा ज़्यादा पंच का है ना, उसका एक अलग ही slot बना देते हैं. You know, अभी कुत्ता काटा कि नहीं, अपने को क्या करने का, काटा तो काटा ना, वो उससे कुछ जान तो नहीं जाने वाली. But suppose it is related to health or something related to wealth or whatever, then we'll make separate theorems का composition. Okay. Anyway, now I'll just go back to the slide once again. So now the same thing relates to the 12th house. What the 12th house says is कि here Jupiter is उच्च, राहु is नीच, बरोबर. तो इसमें क्या बोल रहा है कि Jupiter 12, Rahu anywhere in the Kundali other than 12 will give bad result. So Jupiter seated here and Rahu seated here, wherever will give bad result of that house. Correct? Similarly, Rahu sitting here, Neech mein, Jupiter sitting out anywhere, Jupiter will give bad result over there and Rahu will also give bad result in the 12th. If you understand this now and this, you will understand the thing. दो टक्कर वाले लोग, एक बाहर गया, ये अनईजी है, ये ठीक है, ये नीच में है, तो ये इधर भी वाट लगाएगा. He will dig down. नीच में नीचे ना, तो he will start digging here also. So this fellow is digging there, this fellow is digging here. Both houses are bad, are bashed up.
Manish, a minute. Ketu, you said in the first case, Ketu in the 6th house was also niche. So it will be a and it was in the Pakka Ghar.
Yeah. So it is Lord. No? See 1 minute, I'll show you the slide. It's very, see, Ketu is the co-lord, if you remember I told you. So Mercury and Ketu are the two tak. Barabar. Ketu has been given the niche position and Mercury has been given the uch position. So Ketu, if it is here, by default it will give a problem. So if somebody has Ketu in the 6th house, either that person, because Ketu is dog, Ketu is acting niche, Ketu is acting bad, Ketu dog acting bad, it will bite. So one thing is that a dog could have bitten that person. Or 6th house is the house of stomach and the abdomen, also the backbone, all that. Ketu is also, by the way, backbone, kambar and legs also are taken for Ketu many times. So if 6th house of illness and Ketu, either that person could have had a endoscopic surgery, invasive surgery sort of thing. Ketu is invasive surgery. So that could be the thing. Or it could be any problem, Ketu related problem also to the 6th house. So let's not get into that just now. Let's just understand the theorem of it. Okay. Have you understood this theorem? Okay. So what we'll do now is, I have compiled around, I don't know, 30, 40 of them. There are 55 of them, but I'll just be showing you maybe 40, 50. Now what you can do is, or rather what my suggestion is, whenever such a theorem is there, today maybe you all have your own charts. Tomorrow you may have some 10, 15 of them, whatever it is. If the theorem comes correct, just tell all of us. If it's a personal thing, you don't have to tell any details. You can just say yes, it worked. If it is a general thing like kutta kaata tha, mere ko bachpan mein kaata tha, theek hai, so you can say that. So if at all when you see in your chart and you see that same thing and it relates to that, then tell or discuss it out. So unless it is very personal, let us discuss it out. Like for example, my Ketu is in the 6th house. My Mercury is in the 6th house and my Ketu is in the 2nd house. Okay, so I was also wondering what the thing is, because the 2nd house is for families, for money, for all that thing. Then I realized 2nd house is for food habits also and also for your speech. I am very blunt. I call spade a spade. Basically, I see only black and white. मेरे को बीच में का नहीं दिखता. आगे का आदमी ने अगर कुछ गलती किया ठीक है, but if he has done some mischief, then I don't give गाली, पण मैं ते दळदरी पासून ते सगळे घाणेरडे असले सगळे शब्द तोंडातून निघतात माझे. So I don't have control over my mouth. I don't have control over my eating habit. So now I'm much careful. But like a burger or this or that, whatever I would eat. So that is the repercussion of that. Okay. So if any one of you has Mercury sixth में, तो you can correlate to if anything, because केतु sixth में अगर है तो sixth का भी problem देगा, and Mercury किधर बैठा हुआ, sorry केतु sixth में, तो पहले देखो अगर है तो sixth का house का कुछ problem हुआ है क्या? हाँ हाँ प्रीति बहन, you can unmute.
There's a movie going on in the background, so I've kept myself on mute. Okay, I've got two charts. In one, Buddha is in the sixth house, Mercury is in the sixth house. And in the second chart,
First में Mercury six है, केतु.
Mercury is in the sixth house and Ketu is in the eighth house.
So from now on, now get into habit of saying Mercury six, Ketu eight.
Okay, Mercury 6, Ketu 8.
So basically मैं केतु is bomb डाल रहा है 8th house पे. So does that person, you know that person, right?
Yes, yes.
So anything 8th house related issues that was
Like,
so one will be continuous obstacle, second will be operation, third will be any problems related to investment like PPF and all that thing. उसका वो it also relate to occult issues, some
yes,
sort of a thing, or you know that sort of any occult.
yes,
Or 8th house could also be in-laws related issues, or 8th house could be private organs related issues over there. It could
yes,
be operation related to that area in the hip area,
yes,
something like that. ये सब हो सकते हैं.
yes.
It can also be it is maybe इसमें से कोई आ रहा है? Anything coming correct?
Three things. Constant obstacles, a very occult and intuitive, extremely highly intuitive person, very clairvoyant also, and female issues. मतलब जो उसका reproductive का जो
So that is 8th house. So basically how I got this was 8th house. See, like if you remember even in the dot theory, we keep saying that a box can relate to an event, can relate to a relation, or can relate to a body part. So basically Ketu as a body part we have to see. Ketu as a significator of some issues we can see. 8th house as a body part you have to see. 8th part as a relative you have to see. And 8th part as a event you have to see. So Ketu in the 8th house would be Ketu is invasive. 8th house is in operations or long-term diseases. So Ketu in long-term diseases, it is making it more and more deeper.
Okay.
What the other chart you're saying?
The second chart has got K6M9.
Ketu 6 and Mercury
9.
9. So basically my Mercury is spoiling the 9th house. 9th house is father. So some operative this thing with the father, or maybe the dog has bitten the father, or maybe some 8th house related, and 8th house also advocates and legal things.
No, 9th house, no?
9th house. Sorry, 9th house also advocates and legal issues are also there. Religious things are also there. Travels are also there. Some travel related accident could have happened.
Sorry?
Travel, short overseas travel at time, some accident could have happened.
No.
9th house is basically father. So that person's father could have experienced some problem in the legs.
Yes. Yeah, not legs, but problems.
So some operative problem.
Sorry?
Operative problem.
No.
Facing problems. Okay. So Ketu basically is so basically Mercury is in this house, right?
9th house.
Okay. Now tell me, this person's mother ने उसकी sister या daughter या मासी को कुछ problems है?
No.
नहीं. Some problem related to child. Does this person's मासी or बुआ or sister have some child related issues?
No.
Because see, Mercury is a female other than the wife or the mother.
Okay.
Mercury causing a problem in the 9th house of father. Mother and father again not together or something like that?
No, no, together.
No, these are all the permutation combinations which are coming up. I am also quite raw at all this.
But this person, as you said, no, K in the sixth house, K6, has stomach problems, digestive problems. These are the two things.
उसको कुत्ता काटा होगा.
नहीं काटा है, पूछा मैंने.
देखो काटा होगा. No, anyway, jokes apart. But what I'm trying to tell you is, see, let's do this way. I will keep telling you the symptoms, and you all tell me whether that is right or wrong. Because I'm still not on the level of saying ऐसा हुआ होगा. But sixth house stomach and Ketu being there, the Ketu being neat, Ketu being problems over there. Some problems related to stomach or digestive system. बरोबर ना? Anyone else?
So
Yeah.
sorry, just let me complete. So in this theorem, if there are other planets situated with Mercury, is there any relevance or no relevance?
There is a relevance, but I have still not come to that. Because, like for example, Mercury and Ketu together, Mars is bad, ऐसे होता है. If I remember it right. Mercury plus Ketu together, Mars is bad, ऐसे होता है.
Acha, okay.
He's got Mercury, Ketu sitting together. Mars, that will create a problem. Mars is also brother. Mars is also accidents. So ऐसा correlate करना पड़ता है.
Manish, Ketu 12 and Mercury 6.
Do you think anything else you have to talk or you're done?
I'm done.
You're done. Okay.
Thank you.
Mercury 6, Ketu 12.
Mercury 6, Ketu 12. So basically, 12th house में some problem will be there. Okay. So Ketu is also child. 12th is also overseas. So it could also be that the child of this person is overseas. Because Ketu is also sun, by the way. Ketu is dog. Ketu is also sun. Okay. 12th house is being abroad, or 12th house could also be expense. 12th house can also mean expense. Ketu in 12th house can also mean expense because it's a drain. Ketu is a drain. 12th house is a house of expense and losses. So this person with Mercury in the 6th and Ketu in the 12th can mean losses. That person could be incurring losses. Is any one of this coming true? I could. You're
The overseas is right.
okay. So one of the two. See, there are around 200-300 Tarak Tattvas, you know.
Yeah.
Sometimes I feel that once you see the chart, now once a story opens, now then you can tell.
Yes.
Right.
Got it.
Just groping in the dark as well. Anyone else has got Mercury, Ketu, 6th house or anything like that? Yes. You're mute. ये connect ही नहीं हुआ. Your audio is not connected. Put that plug in properly. Your headphone का plug. हाँ. अभी unmute करो. हाँ. Okay. Now talk. No voice. I think that plug has not gotten properly. अभी वो तुमने डाला तो उसका वो mute का sign आया था. That mute sign has to come. No? Push the pin properly. Headphone का pin डालो. अभी आ रहा है वो डाल. Do like this. Maybe it's got kachra on it. Yeah, sometimes that it's Bluetooth. Brush your teeth then. ये कुछ नहीं तो डमशराज खेल पर मेरे को समझ में नहीं रहा. केतु is like this. केतु in 6th house मुझे problem like that ऐसा. ऐसा अभी कैसा और वो क्या बोल सकते हैं? तो निकाल के डायरेक्टली बात करना. हाँ वो सब निकाल के फेंक दे. ब्लूटूथ निकाल and change the audio to computer audio. And once it starts out, don't sing a song. अभी क्या तो बोल नहीं सकते तो हम कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं. तू तो चुप है. यूजलेस, कुछ नाही, तेरा काम का नाही तू. एकदा बोलायला लागली की मी म्यूट होऊन जाणार आहे, मी कॅमेरा पण ऑफ करणार. रश्मी, सी सी सी, नो नो, व्हेरी बॅड, तेरे को नाही जमेगा. और गेलीच ती. ओके चल, दुसरं एनीवन एल्स वांट्स? हा प्रीतिबेन, हा.
Just one thing, just now fleetingly you said, no, that if Mercury and Ketu are together in some other house. So in the 10th house, Mercury and Ketu are together, and this person has got Mars in the 2nd house, and he met with a head accident.
So head, house head,
Yes,
Mars is accident.
yes,
Oh.
yes.
See, it's a fantastic thing, that's what I'm saying. As we grow in this, actually, रश्मि आगे, एवरी टाइम राघव दिखता था, I call out राघव नहीं. हाँ, रश्मि बोलो. हाँ, नहीं कुछ नहीं आ रहा. नहीं रे बाबा, तेरा वॉल्यूम, माइक का वॉल्यूम नहीं तो लो रहेगा, माइक का वॉल्यूम बढ़ा. In that right bottom side, right click on and recording के ऊपर जाके right click on the speaker का icon and recording का thing, recording उसके माइक का लेवल रहेगा, वो करो. Anyone? ना अभी आया है. Now that mic thing has come. Now unmute yourself. Now unmute yourself. And your different का spelling is wrong. I'm different हो गए. I'm perfect. On top of that, I'm perfect. एक ग्रेट है. पहले spelling mistake भया ना कुछ तो भी किया, उसके ऊपर I'm perfect बोला. ऐसे perfect नहीं. Perfect. ये सभी.
So I have one Kundali which has Mercury in the 6th house and Ketu in the 5th house.
So some child-related problem, investment-related problem, stomach-related problem, digestive system-related problem, childbirth-related problem. Ketu in the 5th house could also be something like abortion हो सकता है at any point of time, और childbirth के time कुछ problem हो सकता है, और delay in childbirth हो सकता है. Childbirth में delay हो सकता है. Then investments में problem हो सकता है. Any education में break हो सकता है. There could have been a break in the education. Break in education.
Investments का भी issue है.
Ketu is a drain. So when it is in anything, there's a drain, so there's a break. So if this is your education and there's a drain, तो उधर break हो गया. Then again you have to come up and start. Investment में drain, तो वो नीचे गया. Like that, Childbirth में drain, delay हो गया. या childbirth में drain यानी drop हो गया, यानी abortion. Like that. That is how you proceed.
मनीष, जर हे प्रॉब्लेम्स तू सांगितले ते असतील तर लाल किताब मध्ये रेमेडीज सुद्धा खूप आहेत ना?
हे अजून मला
माहित नाही.
बेसिकली त्या रेमेडीज ना, इट इज नॉट, म्हणजे व्हॉट आय अंडरस्टूड सो फार, मी जे काय स्टडी केलं, इट इज नॉट डिरेक्ट. म्हणजे समजा लाईक जस्ट नाउ व्हॉट विल से केतू इन 6th हाऊस, म्हणजे केतू का हे करो. That's why it doesn't work. Most people, I think, don't understand that. Ketu is the end result that you see. उसके पीछे जो टिकटॉक कर रहे हैं ना, उनको दुरुस्त करना पड़ेगा, तो ये बराबर हो जाएगा. क्या होता है माहिती है? What I have understood, I am very raw in this, but I am quite sure of this. If this is the culprit, we try to इसको निकाल लेते हैं. पर ये तो सिर्फ भोग रहा है आगे से, पीछे से बाण जो मार रहे हो दूसरे दो कोणते हुए, तो ह्याला काढला तर हे अजून माना भोग करून. And that's why the remedy doesn't work. So basically, in short, if this fellow is a problem, you control these guys and this fellow will go quiet. But as of now, I'm not competent to.
अच्छा अच्छा, बरोबर.
Can I ask you something? I have somebody's Kundali, I mean, very good friend of mine. Her Ketu is in 12th house.
Okay. त्याचं काय सांग? हा, ओके, तो उच्च झाला तो मग.
हाँ. आणि Mercury is in the 1st house.
But this is a total different thing. Ketu is uch in the 12th house. So maybe the sun has got some very high level thing. The sun is abroad and settled abroad and doing very well. Or Ketu in the 12th house, I don't know. Ketu is uch over there, so it will give good results. So Ketu Ketu is basically, in very simple words, it is basically a child, son. That way. That's a
She
kind.
lost her son just after 3 days. Within 3 days.
Okay. So Ketu is son. 12th house is the house of loss and isolation and hospitalization and
Hospitalized because they were premature babies and she lost him.
so मोक्ष हो गया ना उसका. And उसका moon किधर बैठा है?
Moon, third house.
कुछ तो भी है मेरे को दिमाग में नहीं आ रहा. But there is a connect. Moon is.
Asking you only in the reference of.
Yeah, but this is nothing to do with this theorem. But
अच्छा, okay.
just to think from a parallel angle, Ketu is sun. मुलगा होता का?
हाँ, मुलगा.
So Ketu is sun. 12th house is house of hospitalization, isolation, and moksha.
अच्छा.
And something.
I'll discuss this with you.
Fifth house मध्ये, which planet is seated in the fifth house?
No house, no planets in the fifth house.
Okay, no planet in the fifth house. Which planet in the ninth house and first house?
First house मध्ये खूप आहेत. Sun, Mercury, Venus.
Sun, Mercury, Venus. And ninth house?
Nobody.
Okay. So Sun, Mercury, Venus, all three are enemies. So the trine, the first trine with 100% which happens is, which I don't know, this comes in the Brigulanti Nadis, 1, 5, 9 becomes a triangle which is called as a trine, trikona. So that is connected. So basically it is like saying, now this is my theory, okay? If you see 1, 5, 9, 1 is you, 5 is your children, 9 is your father. So 1 is you, 5 is your future, 9 is your background. 1, now you combine Western astrology with it. 1 to 5 is 30, 60, 90, 120. So 1 becomes the base for the fifth one. So you become the base for your child. 9, 1, 1 lala to 30, 60, 90, 120. The father becomes the base for the thing. So basically what you do in the first house has direct repercussions on the fifth house. If you give a solid base, the child is solid. If you give a weak base, the child will have a weak this thing. In the first house, you have got 3 planets which are at logarithms with each other. And which is the Rashi over there?
7.
7th Rashi. So Venus ka ye ho gaya. So again, Venus ye ho. So basically, your sun is in the first house, right? Is with Mercury. And is with.
Mercury, Venus, and Sun.
So they are एक राक्षस गण, एक दानव गण और एक देव गण, एक राक्षस गण और एक बीच में मर्क्यूरी, यूनक, तीनों मिलके ये कर रहे हैं.
This is it's a typical kundali of somebody having, I don't know how many miscarriages she must have had till date.
केतु कुठे म्हटलं तू? 12th house.
12th house.
So Ketu is also, like I said, a drain. So drain is also miscarriage, no? Padla, no? So that is miscarriage. 12th house is the house of isolation, hospitalization, moksha. So Ketu. So आता for example, दिलीप का आता लक्ष दे, जर केतू आपण म्हणतो इज अ कल्प्रिट, बरोबर 12व्या घरात बसलेला, पण 12व्या घरात बसलेला केतूला पाठवून बॅकग्राऊंड मध्ये बॉम्ब कोण फेकतोय? फर्स्ट हाऊस मधला सन, व्हीनस आणि मर्क्युरी. So ह्यांना काय करायला लागणार आहे की बेसिकली आय टेल यू द थिअरी बिहाइंड इट. आय एम नॉट authority on it, but I'm telling you the theory. Now what has happened is, in the first house, sun is very good. Okay, like Preeti Ben has for sun in first house. Sun in first house is the best possible thing that anybody can have. Okay, so sun first house is very good. Mercury in first house and Venus in the first house. Venus is not good in the first house, I think, because 7th Rashi, which is opposite to it, is Venus. तो Venus उधर ही बिठाया था तो खुद को ही टक्कर मारेगा. तो Venus नहीं चाहिए उधर अपने को. मर्क्यूरी भी उधर नहीं चाहिए, बिकॉज वो मर्क्यूरी ड्युअलिटी, तो वो द्वितीय मनस्थिति बना देगा खुद को भी ऐसा. तो बेसिकली क्या है, सन को उधर स्थापित करने का है. नाउ माय वर्ड्स आर आल्सो चेंज हियरिंग ऑल दीस फेलोज टॉक लाइक दैट. सो सन को उधर स्थापित करने का है और मर्क्यूरी और वीनस को निकाल देने का है वहां से. ओके, सो बेसिकली मर्क्यूरी इज व्हाट? कांच का बॉटल. वीनस इज व्हाट? एनी luxury item. So something has to be done where a luxury item, Venus, is put in a glass ka dibba and either बहते पानी में छोड़ देने का, which is basically moon. It will take it away because moon is mother. Mother के गोद में even Rahu Ketu do not do anything bad. So this is a remedy. तो दिलीप का आता कळलं. So केतू तिकडे थैथयाट करतोय, पण तो फक्त घुमतोय तिकडे. The actual मग थैथयाट इकडे हे तिघे करतात. So these need to be separated. Once they separate, Sun, which is in the first house, becomes the base 120 degrees for the fifth house. So fifth house is the house of children, progeny, that reproduction, whatever. So that will give it उसको ही होएगा. Now another thing is 12th house and 8th house are connected by the second house. Second house में कुछ तो भी है, you said, no, Shruti?
Saturn.
हाँ?
Saturn.
Saturn. So Saturn is actually a snake. Saturn is snake. There is something उसको बोलते हैं, I have written it somewhere. बच्चे खाने वाला सांप बोलते हैं. Second house is the house of family. Snakes. And then if you remember, I told you last time, sixth house, second house looks at sixth house. Only Saturn has the ulti drishti of looking to the second house. So second house looks at sixth house. Eighth house by ulti drishti looks at second house. And sixth house looks at 12th house. So if you see this, uska sixth house, 12th house, second house and 8th house, which are the basic stamba, are all connected. इसके आगे मेरे को नहीं मालूम. रश्मि तू ऐसा ऐसा करके बोलो दम शरद में, तू अभी भी उधर. हाँ ऋषिकेश बोल बोल.
I have one relative kundli that is M6 and K1.
नहीं M6 में नको म्हणू. Mercury 6, Ketu 1 असं म्हणते ते, नाही तर ते शॉर्टकट मला नाही कळणार. Mercury 6 and Ketu 1. So
Ketu 1.
Ketu 1 म्हणजे has that person had any break in the career or in education? Education मध्ये break झालेला आहे.
Oh.
Okay.
Education and so connected to career.
Okay. Then also Ketu in the first house could mean some injury to the head or face, something on the face, some cut on the face, cut or stitches or something on the face.
No.
You know this person properly?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you don't need to disclose the identity. I'm just saying that as long as you know. The Ketu in the first house can mean first house is yourself. First house is also health, immunity, education, wealth. Ketu. What can you say about this thing? Ketu in first house का क्या problem that person could have faced? Basically delay in everything. Does that person face delay in everything? Even getting cured, if that person fall ill, then to get cured, it takes extra effort.
Not really. No. But that education and career is the one which is right.
And that person, what education he or she has studied in and what profession he or she is in, is it different?
Yeah.
So that is Ketu ka break. That Ketu breaks that thing and gets you in a different line.
But in the sixth house, it has Sun, Mercury, Venus, Mars and Moon all together.
नाही ते आता कॉम्बिनेशन नको जाऊ आपण.
अच्छा.
Sixth house मध्ये Mercury आहे सर. Sixth house is Mercury. So Mercury is good in sixth house. So does that person have a daughter?
Yeah.
मोठी आहे मुलगी की लहान आहे?
I mean, among the two, the girl is older.
Girl is
Girl and a boy.
20च्या वरती आहे, 20-25च्या वरती.
नाही. Less than that.
ठीक आहे, but that break in education is seen over there.
Yeah.
At least so far इतकं मला येतं. Rashmi?
Yeah, now you can hear me, na?
No, कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा. Nothing. जरा गाना.
Come on, this is now also you can't hear me.
No, we can't hear you at all. Say something.
Why? I have joined through iPhone now.
You joined through iPhone, but we can't hear you. Hello, Mati.
Manish, are you joking or what? Please, huh?
We can't hear you at all. I'm lip reading and telling you.
Acha, okay.
Okay. अच्छा, okay. ये हो गया इसलिए okay, अच्छा. Okay, चलो बोलो.
अच्छा, see, Shruti ने जो present किया, so that means that is going to be her chart throughout her life, right? So that means ये जो उसका problem है, this is going to be persistent one, right? Am I right?
Yeah.
तो जो solution आपने बोला वो करा तो ठीक है, otherwise ये ऐसे ही चलेगा.
Yeah.
Okay. And I have one kundli wherein
Wait, 1 minute.
both Mercury.
At this point, one thing we have to understand, which all of them have said time and time again, that you cannot rub off or erase that both. You can reduce or increase the intensity, that is all. You cannot remove that thing. And somewhere else I read, this is one sentence all of you must remember, which I read somewhere long back, and it has stuck here. Ki, as an astrologer, what can you do? एक ध्यान में रखो. If somebody के नसीब में 100 rupees है, and he is at the moment earning 70 rupees only, you can help him to reach 100 rupees, but you can never get him 101 rupees. वो ध्यान में रखो. ये एक अगर दिमाग में आ गया ना तो अपने पैर जमीन पे आ जाते हैं वापस. So you can read his chart. Okay, Rashmi, what was it?
Okay, so I have a chart wherein Mercury and Ketu both are in 6th house along with Sun.
So Mercury and Ketu both in 6th house, it is good. So ऐसा कुछ problem नहीं है. And Sun also.
But then एक चीज है ना, that is in 6th house. 6th house is a house of disease and all.
No, that's a different thing. You don't mix up too many things. What?
Okay. हाँ.
What are the two? One is in the house, other is wandering outside. तो ये problem create करेगा. Both of them are in the same house, in their own rooms. They are not fighting with each other. वो चुपचाप है. So it is okay. उसके आगे मेरे को नहीं मालूम.
और sun यदि और इनके साथ sun होगा तो no, nothing. Okay, so this ये theory is okay.
See, 1 minute. कैसे है ना? 8 minute. I'll tell you in one sentence. I'll tell you, you'll understand. No planet in the house, some effect comes. One planet in the house, some effect comes. 2 planet in the effect comes if they are friends, if they are enemies. 3 something else. 4 something else. So वो सब है ना, वो लटम्बर वो एडवांस में है, वो मेरे को भी नहीं मालूम अभी. So
Okay.
but I don't want to say it because I might make a fool of myself. So I'll just keep quiet about it.
Okay. ठीक है. Done.
Anyone else wants to share, or should we see the charts? Okay, what we'll do is I have got some charts, so I will just share that. What we'll do is now, I have not studied the charts at all. I know these people, so what we'll do is chart में वो TikTok करते हैं, and then we will try to analyze that how we have done so far. Okay, it's already 10. I am still okay to do it because we have not done practically. Let's do some practically. Okay, one more second theorem which we can use along with this. It's a very simple thing. Is moon जिधर भी बैठा है in the house, that will be one of the sources of your income. Okay, so wherever moon is seated in your house, that house will be one of the sources of your income, or maybe your only source of income, whatever. So you all can study in your chart, and if you all want to share, you can share or just say yes or whatever. Because other than me, nobody else knows your charts. And मेरे पास.
What if the moon is in 12th house?
It can mean something related to hospital का work. You are doing some work for hospitals, or something related to medical field, or something related to foreign company works. Your clients are based abroad, or they have some tie-up with foreign things, or investments. 12th house is a house of investments, no? Does it matter?
पण तसं नाही दिसत आहे.
Moon in 7th house, that means something related to creative field.
Wait. Let me finish.
Okay.
She
Okay,
is a
I'm really
government-
sorry.
She was a government servant, so I'm asking.
Moon is in the 12th house, you're saying.
12th house.
Government service, but in which line? Which thing?
Court.
What?
City civil.
I can't think of it.
कुंडली गलत है क्या?
नहीं गलत नहीं. दूसरा क्या है ना, रश्मि are you there? रश्मि गायब होगी. रश्मि वो पर्दा घूंघट उठा दो तो चेहरा. काय म्हणतात बुरका बुरका कारण काळं दिसलं सगळं मला. नाही see 1 minute, all of you just understand one thing which is very important, which they have not said but I think that is important, is one thing is that we are totally dependent on the Rashi chart, which is totally dependent on the time of birth. Okay, like in the Parashari or in KP and all that, there is a BTR, birth time rectification. Here it is symptomatic. अगर तुम्हारा 12वें घर में ये सब मून है और इसका कुछ भी संबंध नहीं है दूर दूर तक, then that means the moon is wrong over there. Moon in 12th house. Do you know this person properly, Shruti?
She's my mother.
He's your mother.
She is my mother, I said.
Well, you said he's my mother. You said.
No, she is my mother.
Basically, if moon is in the 12th house, okay. तिच्या आईचं कसं जनरल तब्येत कशी होती? Was it okay? Her mother.
She was good.
There are no health problems. नहीं regular नहीं but anything big.
नहीं only ending ला काही नाही. तर she was good.
Hospitalization, isolation, separation, any mental anxiety issues.
No.
Feet's a problem. You're mute. You're on mute.
No, I'm asking her.
Sorry. Ask her. नाही तर आजीच्या पायाला जाऊन दोंडा मारूनच यायची.
नाही असं काही नाहीये. ते कळलं का?
Maybe moon is not there. Moon might be in 1st or might be in 11th.
हाँ.
She is शांत sort of a lady, premal, very motherly type.
हाँ, एकदम.
Okay, and did she have was she fair? गोरी होती का comparatively?
We don't know.
You don't know.
ती म्हणते British होती.
So moon in the 1st house, moon is basically motherly attitude, shant attitude, prema attitude. So maybe her moon was in the 1st house. Okay, Rashmi, chalo. What were you saying?
Moon in the 7th house. That means the source of.
We can't
Come on, you can hear me.
Did you say?
I know you can hear me, Manish. You cannot make me fool again.
Okay.
Okay. Moon in 7th.
Fool again का मतलब है ना?
Moon in 7th house.
Okay. So business.
So does it? Business related to creative field. Is that?
Moon in 7th house will be in moon earning from business or earning along with husband. Husband or wife and इसका co-relation में business है or earning from business.
नहीं.
So then earning from business.
Okay.
Or the same profession what you have done your education in, उसका continuation will also be there. Maybe if you have done medical, then you are a doctor. Medical करके बैंक में नहीं है ऐसे. Preeti, when you saying something?
Okay.
Yeah, right. 7th house, the moon. I was in business with my husband. The business was in my name, but I never went to work and I got all the money.
Correct.
I didn't also
Good one.
Working.
I was so happy with my seva, so I didn't need need to worry about that.
My wife's moon, by the way, is in 7th house.
So what are you trying to say?
She is with you in your business.
Till now it was there. गम्मत बात है 1 minute. अब गम्मत देखो. Moon और केतु उसका 7th house में बैठा. केतु is sun. Now my son is helping her out in the work.
So the three of you in the same.
3 ने 2, मैं 2.5, मैं आधा बाहर है, एक टांग उधर एक इधर है.
पर अभी तक तो you were there ना?
I'm always there. मैं किधर नहीं जा रहा. श्रुति.
ये moon in the 6th house क्या है?
Moon in 6th house will be it should be something related to your earning from the maternal side, grandfather or maternal uncle, or that can be the thing. Sixth house, or sixth house could be in earning from legal this thing, legal cases, some legal documentation, or some sort of what is it called? What's that thing called? Licensing. Some sort of licensing हो सकता है, some sort of court matter related things हो सकता है, some medical related भी हो सकता है, some में hereditary property from the grandfather's side, mother's father's side ऐसे हो सकता है, मामा से कुछ working with the मामा और मौसी ऐसे हो सकता है, या मून गलत जगह पे है, इतने
मनीष
श्रुति कुछ है उसमें, एनीथिंग मैचिंग?
माहित नाही, अजूनपर्यंत काही आलं नाहीये मला असं मॅटर्नल पॅटर्नल साइड कडून.
तुझं your moon is there, but your moon is with sun and Mercury.
Pardon me?
Is your moon with no, your moon is, yeah, your moon is alone in the sixth house. Moon in sixth house, I can't say. हाँ Bobby, हाँ.
Moon in second house.
आले
That's a something food related.
झाले काय?
काहीतरी चाळे म्हणाला तो बॉबी.
Second house will
He's being suspicious.
Moon in second house. Moon is also the house. Second house also house of luck with relation to the family in which you are born in. Is it is your same tradition getting continued? By was your father or anyone in this thing?
काही नाही, दूर दूर तक कुछ नाही.
त्यांचं म्हणणं आहे तुम्ही एकटेच राहणार या प्रोफेशन मध्ये, पुढे पण नाही मागे पण
नाही.
Second house.
Hmm.
House can mean I don't know, but what I'm saying is let's not waste time on moon. अपने को राहु के तो मीन देखने का, अपन इधर पैसे के पीछे लग गए सब लोग.
सगळे पैशांच्याच मागे आहेत ना.
पैसा किधर है मेरा?
आमचे सगळ्यांचेच मून बघून टाक कुठे कुठे बसले.
Where is your moon, Manish?
That's what I was saying. My moon is in the sixth house. Okay. So house का वैसे. Okay, एक minute. तुझा श्रुति 1 minute. Your moon is in the sixth house, right? You are teaching.
Yes.
So that's a job. So you're doing a job. So job is sixth house.
Okay.
Correct.
Trupti was asking something.
अरे मी म्हटलं आमच्या सगळ्यांचेच मून बघून टाक ना कुठे कुठे बसले ते.
खूप जरूर आहे. मून बघण्याची खूप जरूर आहे.
खूप मून इम्पॉर्टंट झालाय.
In all know 1 2 3 4 5 6 12, so everybody will
अपना मून पिकअप कर लो.
और किधर चेंज करना है तो वो भी बोलो चेंज कर दो मून.
अरे केतु का पहले हिसाब लगा देते, बाद में करते हैं. वो कुत्ता उधर वाह
कुत्ते को रहने दो.
Okay, चल. Okay, now what we'll do is इसमें the green dots are basically the moon ka dots. Wherever the red comes, that is the Ketu thing. So let's go one by one. I know these persons, so I will tell you whether it is right or wrong. So now this guy, he is in the business of selling chairs, kursi, like featherlight here. So I am not understanding how 12th में moon makes sense. But frankly, I don't want to moon का बाद में देखते हैं. पहले अपन ये राहु केतु का देखते जरा पहले. So let's look at this one. Okay, this is an interesting case. There are 3 cases of childbirth issues. Okay, now this girl, she must be 35 and 40 के बीच में. Mercury is in the 6th house, so that is fine. So Ketu will be giving a problem. So Ketu is in the 1st house. Okay, Ketu in 1st house is something related to health. Okay, this Ketu becomes a trine over here, like I was saying. So Ketu with Mars. Mars is something to cut. Ketu is something to drain. Moon is mother. So that So ye Saturn is delay. They are not getting children for a very long time. Okay. And basically operative also ये होता है. So ये Mars भी इधर बैठा 5th house में. So she has done that IVF and वो सब वो नहीं हुआ. अभी उसका husband ये है. उसका प्रॉब्लम कुछ है क्या ऐसा मालूम नहीं पड़ेगा. Mars and Rahu in the 6th house that could cause problem. But anyway, that's a different. So this girl का ये मालूम पड़ेगा. Just remember this case because there is another same case of another same situation. Now if you see this one, इसका उल्टा. If you remember Jupiter Rahu did we discuss? So Jupiter is in the पक्का घर. So Rahu will create a problem. So Rahu is in the 2nd house over here. 2nd house. So basically 2nd house is the house of family, barabar? House of income. So her income is badly affected as of now. So since many years. So that can be seen here. This one, if you see, this Ketu is seated in the 6th house. So basically it will cause a problem in the 6th house also. And by the way, if I'm not mistaken, Ketu also represents diabetes. So this guy has got diabetes. Ketu in the 6th house is also supposed to be diabetes. I've written it somewhere, I don't know where. Just 1 minute. Yeah. Ketu's backbone, private parts, dog, legs, feet, and diabetes. So Ketu 6th house is also diabetes. So can you see this chart? Sachin Rayalkar wala. So basically, his Ketu is seated in the 6th house. Can you all see the chart? The Sachin Rayalkar wala chart. Yeah. So basically, 6th house Ketu, that he has got problems related to he's got diabetes. So that is sure. And problem is Mercury seated in the 10th house causing problems. He's having huge problems with the occupation, work related. Okay. So this is the thing. Are all of you looking क्या देख रहे हैं ना तुम लोग? मेरे को कोई दिख नहीं रहा है. Okay.
We all are, yes.
Now, if you see this one, this person's Jupiter is here, 12th house, and this is a mother of a friend. मेरे friend की mother है. She is at the moment having lot of problem with the head. She cannot remember anything. Total memory loss, like Alzheimer's sort of a thing. Total memory loss, nothing she can remember. She must be around 70, 75. Here Jupiter in the 12th house. So Jupiter is also Kismat. Okay, Jupiter is also your Kismat. So Jupiter in the 12th house is again a drain, and Rahu seated in the 2nd house of speech, of memory, of your basic head is again affected. So that we can say is affected over there. Then if you see this chart, okay, this chart if we see, this is again a childbirth issue. So Mercury in the 6th house, Ketu in the Bhagyastan, 9th house. That has got a, if you remember, I told you last time 5th and 9th ka aspect रहता है. So that is, there is this Ketu over here doesn't have anyone to counter it over here. So this Ketu might also be the cause of the childbirth ka issue. उसका husband का 6th house में Ketu. So Ketu causing problems. Ketu is again private parts. 6th house. So private parts may even maybe some reproduction related issues हो सकते हैं. Again here Rahu in the 12th house, Neech. बराबर, causing again medical issues, and Mercury in the 2nd house my family. So child नहीं होने का ये भी combination हो सकती है. If you all can see, can you make out what I said? Okay. Is it getting too long?
Can you repeat the last one,
नहीं,
Manish? The last one.
I was just asking, are you all getting bored? ज़्यादा खींच रहे क्या कि?
नहीं.
एकदम पक्का समझ में आ रहा है अभी.
हाँ.
पक्का.
बस. Yes.
पक्का. Sorry, what did you say, Rashmi? इसके पहले वाला chart you want to see?
The last chart you explain. एक बारी थोड़ा.
That childbirth का you saying?
हाँ.
तो ये है वो. So this is the wife's chart. This is the husband's chart. So इसका wife का 6th house में Mercury है. So that is okay. But उसका 9th house में Ketu है. So it is spoiling over here. Correct? So Ketu in the 9th house is also your Bhagya Sthan. आगे स्थान पे बैठा है, and it is directly aspecting the 5th house of childbirth. That is one issue as of this theorem. And with Jupiter is also the karak of growth.
Vansh, yes.
वो उसको भी काट रहे हैं उधर in the this thing. And उसका husband का अगर देखो, उसका केतु इधर बैठा है, तो केतु causing a problem. Ketu is also a private part. Sixth house is also a house of disease and illnesses. So these related to private could mean something. बराबर. Then उसका राहु बैठा है 12th हाउस में, एंड राहु के वजह से जुपिटर इधर बैठा है 3rd हाउस में. So 3rd house is the house of efforts. Okay. 12th house is the house of hospitalization, this thing, which is directly looking at Ketu, which is in the 6th house. Ketu is again reproduction. So whatever efforts they are taking toward childbirth is getting problematic. Plus Ketu idhar hai, Mercury idhar hai. Mercury is in the 2nd house of family. If you remember 2-7, I told you 2-7-11 when we did KP ka signification for family. For getting married, it was 2-7-11 because 2 is making a family, 7th is spouse, and 11 is Ichhapurti. So here, if you see, this is a complete cross combination. Ketu in the 6th house, Ketu again a drain, 6th house illnesses, Ketu reproductive organ, Rahu over here 12th house hospitalization related, losses related thing. Uska ye jo Jupiter is in the 3rd house of efforts. So efforts are getting wasted. And Mercury in the 2nd house is of family, so that is getting affected because of Ketu ka Mercury. Mercury to 2nd house put gaya. समझ में आया? I will understand more.
Yes. It's a simple case. When you explain, सब समझ में आता है. But when you ask us to do an analysis, पूरा गड़बड़.
Maybe I am also quite zero in this. But we'll be
Manish, are the house significations different from what we did in KP?
Not much, but slightly different. Every time
Son, you said Bhagya was in the 9th.
Yeah, Bhagya 2nd house also they consider. 2nd house is Bhagya they consider. Luck, house of luck. It is different. Like 2nd house is the house of temple as per Lal Kitab. Well, here we consider 9th house as a religious place. They consider 6th house as a religious place, and 6th house as Patal. I said, little differences are there. As the differences come up, I will be telling you. Like Jupiter, see, there are certain now by default things which we should remember, because if you go a little deeper, you'll understand everything boils down onto Lal Kitab. All the remedies also today what they're giving are Lal Kitab based, but they're doing analysis Parashari style and giving remedies. Basically, if few things you have to remember, Jupiter, which is one of the most important things, is Kismat. Jupiter is gold. Okay. Jupiter is Kismat, Jupiter is gold, Jupiter is Hawa. Jupiter is Choti. Shendi, Choti. This, which I am growing now. Out of lethargy. Rashmi, what is the height of
What is the height of?
Rashmi, what is the height of lethargy? आलसीपना का क्या है? Adoption.
Height of.
Okay, chalo, be serious now. No, don't cry.
कठीण है बाबा, कठीण है.
Were you asking something, Sujata?
कठीण म्हणते ती तुला.
Got what I was asking. काय म्हणाली?
मी म्हटलं कठीण म्हणते तुला असं सांगितलं होतं.
Okay, anyway, what I'm saying is, we'll just reiterate this theorem. It's already 10:30, almost be hungry. I've had my food. So, we just reiterate this. What I would suggest is, every time a new theorem is there, for the next week, at least look at 5, 10, 15, 20 Kundali, jo bhi hai wo karo. And just remind me, Shruti ka limit, just remind me to talk to you about KP star 1, just in 2 minutes. So basically, just to reiterate everything is, the basic theorem is 2 enemies sitting in one house. Okay, one enemy in the house, other enemy goes out, he is in the tension, so he will create problem wherever he grows. If this fellow sitting in the house is a niche one, he will start digging into the house and causing problem in the house also. Simple. So when we look at it over here, the basic theorem is Mercury Ketu, that is a girl, Mercury. Now Sujata, this is another new thing. Mercury is girl. Mercury in Lal Kitab stands for any girl other than your wife and your mother. Okay. So for you also, if you have a daughter, she will be your Mercury. Your son is your Ketu. Okay. So Mercury, girl, walking with a dog, Ketu. So they are both seated down. So down is 6th house, Patal, 6th house. The dog bites the girl. She screams out or gives a gali, which is the black cloud, which is your Rahu, which has gone up in the air. So that is the 12th house. Air is Hawa, Jupiter. Okay. So this is the theorem. So basically, if Mercury is seated in the this, what is it called, in the 6th house, and Ketu is wandering around, Ketu is under tension कि ये क्या कर रहा है, so Ketu जिधर भी जाएगा, it will cause a problem. Mercury is in its own house, so it is safe, it will not dig. But ulta क्या कि Ketu sitting in the house, 6th house, and Mercury going around, Mercury will start wondering कि ये मेरे घर को क्या कर रहा है. So Mercury will create an issue, and Ketu being niche, it will start digging down and go down and create a problem in the 6th house also. Okay. Now Ketu का कारक तत्व चाहे तो लिख लो. Ketu is firstly sun. Ketu is dog. Ketu is backbone. Ketu is also feet. Ketu is private organs. Private organs. And Ketu is also invasive surgery. Invasive, like क्या बोलते उसको, वो नली डाल के करते वो टाइप. That is Ketu.
Laparoscopy, मतलब minimal
incision, minimal cuts. So that is Ketu. So Mercury with Ketu. So basically this is the thing. ऊपर उल्टा वैसे होता है. If Jupiter is seated, it is fine. Jupiter का ये कौन है? राहु. तो राहु जिधर भी उधर वाट लगाएगा. Rahu in this thing you can write down Rahu is Dhua. Dhua. So Rahu and Jupiter, when they're seated in 12th house together, that person will have some asthmatic, because Rahu is Dhua, Jupiter is Hawa, oxygen. Oxygen and Dhua जब mix हो जाएंगे, it will cause breathing problems. So that is how the suffocation happens. So Jupiter seated in 12th house is fine. राहु जिधर भी जाएगा वाट लगाएगा. उल्टा राहु अगर 12 बजे घर में बैठा तो नीचे तो उधर ठंडा खोदेगा, एंड जुपिटर जिधर भी जाएगा उधर नाश कर देगा. So look on all the charts. Sujata काय?
Manish.
Yeah.
Sujata?
Yeah, you know, in the 6th house, Ketu is niche as well as Swarashina.
Yeah, it's a core lord, I said. No, it's a core lord, but it's also niche. Varti.
But then, does that not overrule the niche effect?
No, niche म्हणजे niche. मैं तो कसं है कि let us say there are two friends. They are equal in power. But इसकी नियत खराब है, इसकी नियत नेक है. तो नियत खराब वाला, even if it's same strength, वो नीचे गंदा काम ही करेगा, ये अच्छा करेगा, like that. हाँ रश्मि.
वैसे किसी का तो एक जन का जुपिटर is in the 12th house.
Jupiter 12th house, but where is Rahu?
11th house.
So then you will have a problem related to income. Income का problem है?
तो मुझे नहीं मालूम. Somebody.
Income related problem रहेगा, friend circle related problem रहेगा, gains related problem रहेगा, work का work fulfillment का problem रहेगा, काम होते रहेगा पर end में नहीं होता होगा. वो सब, that is all Rahu. Rahu is basically enlarging something. So it's enlarging the problem. So what is the problem over there? Gains. उसके problems create करेगा. Friend circle उसमें फूट डालेगा. It's also income over there. उसमें problem हो सकते हैं.
So that means Rahu enlarge करेगा, तो if it is in a good house तो वो खुशियां भी enlarge करेगा? No.
Rahu, Ketu are papit Rahu. Rahu, Ketu, when Saturn sits with them, they are called papil toli बोलते उसको. पापी ग्रहों की टोली.
Totally.
So basically, remember one thing: Rahu, it was bad only, but Rahu enlarges something. Ketu, Ketu.
Got it.
So basically, if toxins are getting spread in the blood, Rahu and Mars or Rahu and Moon का कुछ issue रहेगा.
Okay.
If there is a cut somewhere, bone में cut है, तो Saturn का और केतु का रहेगा, Sun और केतु का रहेगा, because Sun is bone, केतु is cut रहेगा.
Okay, my question was, जैसे आपने explain किया कि 6th में मर्क्यूरी और केतु का है. My point is, यदि मर्क्यूरी है 6th में और वो नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट नहीं देगा ना, लाइक जैसे केतु विल डिग इनसाइड, राइट? तो मर्क्यूरी इफ इज इन 6th, तो वो ऐसा नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट नहीं देगा ना, इफ नॉट पॉजिटिव.
See, if it is seated alone, like I said, it might be a positive thing. But if over there in the position, but with the enemy planet, then उसका वो nullify हो जाएगा ना. It is like saying, let us say, it's like saying इधर से spring water आ रहा है, ढक्कन रख दे तो spring इधर ही खत्म हो जाएगा. Spring तो आ रहा है और वो ऐसा नहीं आ रहा है ये ढक्कन. तो इसका अगर फ्रेंड आ गया तो इसके साथ वो और उधर से देगा तो it will give like, it is like that. Whom your yuti is very important. Position where you are seated in, that is position where you are seated in, and yuti with whom you are with, and drishti who is looking at you. This makes a difference. If you are sitting on solid ground, very good. If you are sitting on daldal, problem. If you are sitting with a friend, very good. If you are sitting with an enemy, problem. If your friend is looking at you, he is looking after you and wishing you well. Enemy is looking at you, he is hoping udhar aage khadda hi jaake udhar gil jaye. That is the entire philosophy of planets. That's all.
Got it.
So basically, in fact, this is actually working out good even for me, because as I talk to you all, मेरा उधर sort of a parallel revision जैसे हो रहा है. So you all are also coming with me, but मेरा भी ऐसा revision हो रहा है. So it is in a way this is working out well. So that because ये जो theorem था, if I didn't have to present it to you, I wouldn't have made that chart maybe. I would have just put it here and here मुझे after some time वो निकल जाता था. So we make this. You are saying something? आवाज
आता येतोय?
बोल.
हा, मग युती नसेल तर प्रॉब्लेम नाही, म्हणजे सिंगल प्लॅनेट्स असतील तर वी डोंट नीड टू सी दिस.
Basically, it is basically called it's called PACE. PACE. P is position where you're seated, standing. Are you sitting in a friendly house or in an enemy house? Planet seated in the 6th house will always have something related to disease, death, enemies. Okay. A is aspect. Who is looking at you? C is conjunction. Conjunction is yuti. And E is exchange. That's a little complicated. Let's say Sun is seated in the 10th house and Saturn is seated in the 5th house. So they are exchanging places with their Rashi lords. So that is another way of looking at pace. But
what is E? What is E you say?
Drishti. Aspect.
No, that was aspect was A.
E is exchange.
Exchange
of Rashi and thing. But in simple words, if you have to understand and look at it from a story point of view, where you are standing, are you standing in friendly territory or enemy territory? That is how you perform. Second is who's standing with you. The person standing next to you, is he your friend or is he your enemy? If there are more people standing with you, how many are your friends, how many are your enemies? If there are so many people standing with you, what is your power as considered to their power? So that is yuti. And who is looking at you? तो तुझ्याकडे बघतोय तो फ्रेंडली नजरेने बघतोय की वाईट नजरेने बघतोय? तो बाण मारणार आहे तर किती जोरात मारणार आहे, किती लागणार आहे? That's all. Nothing major. Where you are standing, whom you are standing with, and who is looking at you. That's all. I think this is working out well because these theorems. Next time, say what we will do. अभी एक दो बार थोड़ा सा teething problems हो जाएगा. But next time, say suppose he has taught 5 theorems now. I will tell you all the 5 theorems, and if possible, I will make some 5 sketches and keep it. वो देखते हैं. Or maybe I'll make enough sketches and also keep. That is also good because ये जो actually बनाया था, इसमें से मेरे को तो ध्यान में आया. If I had explained it to you all would have understood it. So in case there are too many theorems, I might make sketches, quick sketches. So एक दिमाग में रहा तो अच्छा है, because I think that should be good, no? Anything you want to ask? All done? Okay. Chalo. I'll post the recording so you all see it later. No? Chalo.
Okay.
Right, bye.
Yeah.
Namaste.
Bye. Good night.